Organizing qualitative data 2.1. So qualitative data and frequency. Qualitative is categorical data, which is labels or names, as opposed to quantitative data, which is numerical. Frequency is the number of observations in a category. So surveying 10 people about favorite fruits. If 4 people say that apples are their favorite fruit, that is the frequency. The frequency of people that chose apple would be 4. But relative frequency is a percentage, or a ratio. So frequency, it's calculated by frequency divided by the total observations. So relative frequency should be used when comparing different size groups. Um, so the 4 people who said apples would be 40% of the entire survey, and therefore that's the relative frequency. So then if we scale that up to another survey that found that 40 people said apples are their favorite fruit, then that would be equal, as opposed to 40 people versus 4 people. Common responses are whichever are the most frequent. It doesn't matter if it's most frequent objectively or relatively. So a common response is just whatever takes up majority on a pie chart, pretty much. So there's 4 different types of graphs. There's bar graph, which each bar represents a category. Um, the height equals the frequency or how many times it happens, or relative frequency. Bars don't touch. Pareto graphs are a type of bar graphs where bars are ordered from highest to lowest frequency. Side-by-side graph compares 2 different groups using relative frequency, and pie charts are circles divided into sectors, showing how much each part makes up the whole. And these are simply what each graph purpose is.